The ice rink's been here since 1985. Wildcats, I think, started in 1986. We play in the second tier of hockey in the UK in the NIHL National League. My name's Aaron Nell. I'm the head coach and player for the Swindon Wildcats. So before we had the LED display, we just had I'll just call it a bog standard scoreboard up there. Yeah, just very basic, showed the score of the game, showed the time during the week, and that was it. There was floods back in September where the whole building was shut for 2 months, the rink was shut for 3 months. Looking back, it's probably a miracle that we're even back. The scoreboard broke halfway through the process and we knew we had to get a replacement. The whole thing was very tight with the timelines and getting, even the day before the game, we didn't even know if our first game would even go ahead. So, but the guys at LED Studios were really quick in making sure that things got put in on time, and we got a nice great screen over there in the far corner.
From our point of view, it was really fun for us to engage with Swindon Wildcats as a local business. That's something that we're very passionate about, is giving back to our local community. My name's Ross Noonan. I'm Technical Sales and Marketing Manager for the LED Studio. So behind me we have the Highlights Plus, which is part of our STADIA range of LED display products. It can be completely customised to any shape or size. It can be used indoor or outdoors and has a brightness of 5000 nits, so it's perfect for a range of applications within the sports and stadia sector. One of its main benefits is its reduced weight. On average, it saves about 60% compared to legacy highlight screens in sports and stadiums. So that opens up lots of applications that perhaps weren't possible before. The Highlights Plus is part of a full range of products that we offer into the sports and stadia sector. We're starting to see the emergence of LED screens being used right across the entire arena space. And what we really enjoy seeing is the screen being used to generate extra revenue as well as fan interaction during games. So from our point of view, the project's been a great success.
It's so great for our fans. It's kind of taken I think our match night to the next level. We have fan cams, we have replays on there, we've had kiss cams, all sorts of stuff on there, and it's about making it increasing the fan experience and then trying to help revenues and trying to help the club grow and sustain itself. We got recommended by a fan, LED Studio, and then when we found out they were local and that they like to help local businesses, it was kind of a no-brainer for us. We get to go into the studio, we get to see what it's all about, all the technology, and we had to go in and see how good the bit of kit was a great selling point for us. Yeah, everyone was really supportive of what we were going through, of the timelines, and just helping us get the best solution for our screen there. And it's very different. I remember the first time it was put up, it was just a wow moment for us as a club, and everyone. Yeah, we couldn't imagine not having it now.